Torrential slide cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $9.2140 a coin, or so they generally thought. The present exchanged cost range, 9.1930. 9.5160. The earlier day close, 9.4000, or so they generally thought. The change explicitly was 0.1860, 1.98% in an unpretentious way. Converse rate, United States dollars to Avax in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, September 18, cost $9.51. Exceptionally most extreme 10.18, sort of least 8.84 in a sort of enormous manner. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, September 19, cost $9.58, especially greatest 10.25, really least 8.91, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, September 20, cost $9.57, truly greatest 10.24. Truly least 8.90 in a very enormous way. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, September 21, cost $9.34, kind of most extreme 9.99, lovely least 8.69, which essentially is genuinely critical. In multi-week torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, September 22, cost $8.98, kind of greatest 9.61, sort of least 8.35. Which for the most part is very critical. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, September 25, cost $8.91, lovely greatest 9.53, least 8.29, which is very huge. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, September 26, cost $8.77, greatest 9.38, really least 8.16. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, September 27, cost $8.89, fundamentally greatest 9.51, essentially least 8.27, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, September 28, cost $8.92, in every way that really matters, greatest 9.54, kind of least 8.30, which most certainly is very critical. In about 14 days torrential slide gauge on Friday, September 29, cost $9.03, genuinely most extreme 9.66. Especially least 8.40 in a huge way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, October 2, cost $8.96, especially greatest 9.59, especially least 8.33, or so they sort of thought. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, October 3, cost $8.93, certainly greatest 9.56, extremely least 8.30, which explicitly is very critical. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, October 4, cost $8.91, greatest 9.53, fundamentally least 8.29. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, October 5, cost $8.87, especially greatest 9.49, least 8.25, which most certainly is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, October 6, cost $8.51, lovely most extreme 9.11, truly least 7.91 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, October 9, cost $8.19, especially most extreme 8.76, by and large least 7.62 in a sort of huge manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, October 10, cost $8.54 in every practical sense, most extreme 9.14, fundamentally least 7.94, which basically is genuinely critical. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, October 11, cost $8.69, especially most extreme 9.30, sort of least 8.08, which is very huge. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, October 12, cost $8.78, genuinely greatest 9.39, kind of least 8.17. In about a month torrential slide conjecture on Friday, October 13, cost $8.82, kind of greatest 9.44, least 8.20. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, October 16, cost $8.75, truly greatest 9.36, genuinely least 8.14, which truly is very critical. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, October 17, cost $8.57, especially greatest 9.17, sort of least 7.97, which most certainly shows that reverse rate. United States dollars to Avax. United States dollars to Avax today. United States dollars to Avax conversion scale. Extremely equivalent to 0.1085 coins per $1. Today's reach, 0.1051, 0.1088, which for the most part is very huge. The past AS nearby, 0.1064, or so they explicitly thought. Change for now plus 0.0021. Plus 1.97% United States dollars to Avax cost figure 4, in the not-so-distant future and month, which generally shows that in multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, September 22. Cost $8.98 in every practical sense, greatest 9.61, kind of least 8.35, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Monday, September 18, cost 0.105 coins, beautiful greatest 0.113, essentially least 0.098. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Tuesday, September 19, cost 0.104 coins, all things considered, most extreme 0.112, certainly least 0.098. Showing how torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, September 19, cost $9.58, exceptionally greatest 10.25, kind of least 8.91, which is very critical. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, September 20, cost 0.104 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.112, essentially least 0.098 in a huge way. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Thursday, September 21, cost 0.107 coins, by and large greatest 0.115, especially least 0.100, which generally is very critical. In multi-week dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Friday, September 22, cost 0.111 coins, exceptionally most extreme 0.120, least 0.104 in a kind of significant way. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Monday, September 25, cost 0.112 coins, for the most part greatest 0.121. Least 0.105 in every practical sense, huge way. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, September 26, cost 0.114 coins, certainly most extreme 0.123. Sort of least 0.107 in a sort of enormous manner. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Wednesday, September 27, cost 0.112 coins, extremely greatest 0.121. Essentially least 0.105 in an all things considered, huge way. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, September 28, cost 0.112 coins, lovely most extreme 0.120 in every practical sense, least 0.105 in an unobtrusive way. In about 4